In this video, I'll show you how you can download a YouTube playlist or a YouTube video. Now, first step is you're gonna go to YouTube and you're gonna find a playlist or a video or whatever you wanna choose. And from in here, if you have the new YouTube UI, on the right hand corner, there will be a little button here that says download. If you have the old one, it will be somewhere around here. Now, once you find the download button, what you can do is you can click on it. Just keep in mind that you need to have YouTube Premium before you can download it. So if I click on it, it will say download this video with Premium, and you can choose if you want the high resolution or the standard one. Now, I don't have YouTube Premium, so I can only start the trial, but if you have the Premium, you can simply just click on the download button and you will now download the video or the playlist to your YouTube. That's basically how you can do it, guys. It's really simple. Just keep in mind that it does actually cost money. I believe the YouTube Premium is $15 or $10 a month, and you need that if you want to be able to download it. So that's how you can do it on YouTube, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.